bringing it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Align Motions, and this is Vishal. In today's video, I am here to talk you about how you can remove the mat in Photoshop. So simply to check the mat, just take your any of one selection tool. I am using quick selection tool and select your subject. When your selection is done, just click on this mask icon to make a mask. To see the mat, just take an solid color adjustment layer and set it to the color you want and bring it to down. If you see, the corners have a black and other colors area, and this is called matte. So we want to remove it. To remove it, just go to your main layer and right click from your mouse and click on convert to smart object. Then again right click from your mouse and click on rasterize layer. Then go to your layer matting refrange and set it to 1 or 2 you want according to your images and click OK. Now if you see, the color is removed, or you can say the mat is removed, but some of the areas having extra parts, so we can remove it using take your brush tool and make a mask and set the color to black as foreground and simply paint it over the areas you want to reveal. So here is the all guys. If you like this trick, just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates and share it also. Thank you.